Heaven is not a destination, it is an embodiment, and I would like to show you how easily this can be achieved. My name is Bunny Silverton and I'm an intuitive healer and have been a spiritual teacher for over a decade. I'm going to take you on a journey that opens your heart and awakens your intuition so that you can live heaven. My aim is to help you understand the human spiritual path towards enlightenment and how it can be achieved with ease so that you can start living your life as a creator. Our journey begins by understanding the human design and the challenges that our soul has when incarnating into the body. We will explore the genetic, historical, collective consciousness and spiritual level obstacles that present themselves as limitations and distortions in the body, mind and heart. Through a guided meditation, we will clear your past, heal your heart and free your mind so that you can return to love. Love is the most exquisite experience of them all. It raises your vibration and grants you untold peace, wisdom and joy. Love is, after all, the glue that bridges you to heaven. And this union allows you to fall in love with yourself so much that you become your own soulmate. Through ancient techniques with a modern twist, I will show you how to move energy up through your body so that it can unite with the heavens. From this high vibrational state, I'll be able to help activate your psychic and intuitive senses so that you can be guided to live your soul purpose and navigate through this extraordinary experience that we call life. I look forward to taking you on a very magical and very sacred journey back to your truth.